Is your fridge making you sick? 10% of life-threatening food poisonings start in home refrigerators. Most home food poisonings go unreported because they only result in a few days of sickness that don't require a trip to the emergency room. The fact is, our refrigerators are full of bacteria. One type degrades your food and the other carries illnesses like Listeria and Salmonella. Your fridge is a nearly perfect breeding ground for both. FridgeGenie sanitizes your fridge and protects it from new bacteria growth for up to 90 days. Your food will stay fresher, longer, saving money and improving your health. FridgeGenie is easy to use. Spray it on and then wipe it off. Its clean citrus scent lets you know it's working. FridgeGenie offers you a new way to eat healthier. The food savings alone is worth FridgeGenie's already low cost. Visit FridgeGenie today. www.fridge-genie.com